Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And for this process we will need a cable. As you can see, I have one here. You want to plug it into your computer and then simply connect it to the device. So there it is. And from here, once you have connected it to your computer, you want to hold part key and volume down till your phone turns off, and from there, once it turns off, you want to immediately switch from volume down to volume up while never releasing the power key. Sorry for that. So let's do it right now. Power volume down. Screen turns off, switch to volume up. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate. So volume down will go down, volume up will obviously go up, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Then that being said, from here you have access to going back to Android, rebooting to bootloader, applying updates, wiping data or cache partition, mounting system, viewing logs, running tests, and simply powering off the device. And like I said, whatever you have selected, you will then confirm it with power key. Now I want to leave this mode, so I'll just stick with the reboot system now, which is selected by default, and press power key, confirm it. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.